There are times when an animal needs to receive treatments through regular injections at home. A diabetic animal, for example, who needs daily insulin injections. It's a procedure that may make you a little nervous at first, worried you're going to hurt your pet. After all, it hurts when you get a shot, right? Let's clear up that notion right away. Injections that are done at home are almost always subcutaneous, or just under the skin. Done properly, these injections are barely noticeable to an animal, thanks to a relatively low number of nerves just under the skin. So, here's how to give your pet an injection. First, wash your hands thoroughly before handling the syringe or insulin vial. Break open the seal on a fresh, sterile syringe. Do not reuse syringes. Some types of insulin need to be rolled gently between your hands to mix the contents of the vial. Do not shake the bottle. Turn the bottle of insulin upside down. With the plunger fully depressed, slide the needle through the rubber stopper and into the bottle. Slowly draw the plunger out until the proper amount of insulin is in the syringe. If you draw too much, just depress the plunger to reach the proper amount. Once you've filled the syringe, remove it from the vial. Still holding it upright, tap the barrel to bring any air bubbles to the top of the barrel. With the thumb and index finger of one hand, lift up the skin at the back of the neck. This is where a mother will carry her young, so your pet will immediately settle down. Holding the syringe at a 45-degree angle to the animal's back, slide the needle into the skin tent. Once the needle is inserted all the way, depress the plunger and remove the needle. Two simple things to remember. Angle the needle and always insert into the skin tent. If you have any questions, contact your local vet or email us at askavet@mcafeeah.com.